All right, so as you saw from the intro, the Charlie Rossier ski is back from paint. Brian did an insane job on it. It's Lexus MSM silver on the outside with an addition to some heavier metallic. He did the inside with a single stage gloss white, bottom line black. So it's 100% period correct to how Charlie Rossier used to race this thing back in the 90s. I'm excited for this one. This is my favorite ski. We're gonna put the new gas tank in, all new lines. We're gonna go as far as we can with exhaust and everything else, which came back from powder coat. We're waiting on the engine still. So we're gonna get as far as possible today, like I said. And then once the engine comes in, we'll get the engine in, plumb all of our lines, put our UMI on, and it'll be out to the water. Just as a reminder, our channel sponsor is VintageJetSki.com. Cam and the boys will take good care of you. They carry WSM, HydroTurf, Jet Trim, and they even carry PWC Graphics, which is the graphics we use to do our restorations. So be sure to visit them and use promo code TodayWeWrench for an extra 5% off all your parts. All right, so I'm just gonna clean up all this stuff before it gets installed. I'm just using some citrus. Oh,
nice and citrusy.
the oranges. It's gotta be mint, dude.
Stroke it.
Yeah. Well, you do a little bit of twist. You know what I mean? All right, so we're gonna clean up all these parts, everything that's going in, and then we'll start assembling. Oh man, this sucks to put it in after paint.
A lot of tight holes.
Yeah. Look at the white hull. It's all just dirty now.
Just have to wipe her down.
Yeah, what do you expect, you know? It's a laser gun that way.
Little love tap.
Yeah. Go and button your pants just a little bit. Look how freaking nice it looks.
They're in.
That looks freaking nice.
Looks good and tight.
All right, so we gotta put the VIN tag back on. So I'll get the rivet gun for that.
So we're not riding dirty.
Yeah, yeah. They're trying to catch me riding dirty.
It's gonna be a numbers matching.
Yeah, dude.
So strong. Making a mess, dude.
Oh, they're black too. See that?
Yeah.
Like that color coordination?
Only the finest.
One of the finest. Only the finest.
What kind of jank shit you got going on here?
I don't know. It's Zep. Thanks, Zep. Dude, you want the super clean?
Yeah, we need.
Oh yeah, we need super clean.
Garbage.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted some foam. Nice and foamy.
Foam action?
And it's on, baby. Oh yeah, look at that.
Better? All right, so Nick's cleaning the fuel tank straps because we got all of our
Like butter.
rubber in for the fuel tank, our VIN tags in, and now we have a new fuel tank to throw inside of it.
Yeah, this actually works really well. Looks good.
Not as good as acetone.
Yeah, at least my hands won't be burning on my drive home.
Dude, it kills COVID on impact.
So does Super Clean. Don't quote that. Oh, it slides right in. Oh.
You can't even tell it's in there with the white paint. Especially on camera, it's so damn bright.
Alright. Like a glove. Still got the serial number on there. That's how fresh it is. Alright, I'll get the straps in and get her hunkered down.
Yeah, it looks good. Dude, these came out really nice. Did you get good close up on these?
Yeah, the powder's
Carbide black. It's got like some texture to it, but not too crazy. Looks good, dude. Alright, so let's do exhaust now. We'll run our water drain back for the cylinders first, and then we'll put the exhaust tube on.
10-4, good buddy.
You gotta find the exhaust tube first, though.
In the hall. Oh,
I got it.
oh my God, it's in.
It's definitely in.
Let's see where we're at right now. Ooh,
Alright.
baby.
Dude, it looks good.
Look at that.
Looks good. We gotta put the sponsons in still, but because the sponsons have like they have a bracket that goes through, we'll be able to hold it in here and not have to worry about putting the sponsons in. So I'm not crazy worried about it, but we should probably put sponsons in before we go any further.
Too bad we couldn't get black line.
Well, for the water lines? I mean, we could.
Look pretty sick. Yeah, the yellow gives it a little pop though.
That's what I think.
The yellowish, greenish color, whatever you want
That's
to call
what I
it.
think. These freaking zip ties are the best. I show you these? Watch.
Boom.
No cutters needed.
$1 billion idea.
They're at Home Depot. They're called Twist Tail.
Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Link in the description below.
Nope.
We don't do that stuff here.
I ain't giving Home Depot no freaking credit.
No.
I spent way too much money there.
What's their slogan?
I don't know. You dream we build it? That's Walter E. Smith, dude.
Oh, yeah. Home Depot. Let's do it. Isn't it let's do it?
I don't know. Let's do this, yeah.
Let's do this.
Do what?
Doom, 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 doom.
Okay.
Ooga How many Ooga Doogas?
I don't know, like 40? Alright, so our lines are in. We just gotta plumb it now.
Fuel pump time.
It's fuel pump time. Brandy.
She was a fine girl.
Yeah. Until she wasn't.
That's it?
That's it, dude.
Oh, that was exciting.
That's all she wrote. So I'll pick it back up in a week. See you tomorrow.
Alright, see you guys later. Peace out. Want to pull the slack out of it? Or?
No, man.
Get it on the nipple. Can I get a... Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get the good cutters. Cutters?
Probably in your fucking pocket.
It's a possibility.
Because they're not in the home.
Well, they are in my pocket. You just stop talking. Fuck this.
This is all you got left, so I don't know how long you're going.
Nothing crazy. And we have a return, so give me that again. Wait, hang on.
We need more of this.
No, I need that.
Oh, this one's truck?
Yeah,
Where's the extra?
this one's the OEM.
This is the one we don't need?
I don't know, I'm matched up to that now. You're the one who fucked me up.
I didn't fuck you up. Yeah, it's just too long.
Okay.
Put this back in the bag then.
Yep. Oh boy. Whew. That's a deep one there, my guy.
Yeah, I heard the clip snap and then I could probably hit your bone.
Oh man, it's still. Ooh, there's gas on that.
Straight to the blood.
Is it bad?
Was that the razor blade that went in your hand?
No, it was a screwdriver.
Oh god.
I kind of can't work now though.
That's when he knew he fucked up.
All right, so we got all of our fuel lines pretty much plumbed, ideally where they need to be. Our fuel pumps installed, our new tanks installed, our new vent systems all installed. All of our rubbers are back in that hold the tank in. Our exhaust is semi-installed. We're gonna have to put the sponsons in next, and then once the engine comes back, we'll put our motor mounts in, engine in, do an alignment, which we showed in our last video. And then we'll finish all the plumbing on the exhaust. And then we'll do a separate video of us putting on the UMI, and I'll kind of show how to install a UMI for a couple people that's never done it before. But this thing's moving. We're waiting on graphics, we're waiting on turf, primer kit, our carbs are gonna get rebuilt, and then we're good to go. So as always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
In case you guys are wondering, this is Nick as a baby. He is the brand ambassador for honest,
Yeah.
gentle, and absorbent.
It's just Elvis company, dude. Yep,
You
it's
know,
me.
that's Nick with hair.
Yeah. Yeah, those were the days. Those were the days.